Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make this beautiful pattern. This is actually very easy pattern and especially made for the beginners. We are going to make total 3 rounds and I have used very basic stitches like double crochet stitch, single crochet stitch, and I have used 3 mm hook and acrylic yarn I have used. So let's start making this pattern. First of all, make a slip knot. And chain of 10. Here we'll have to make 10 chains as a foundation chain. To make a chain, yarn over and pull it through the loop. It's very simple. Likewise, we'll make 10 chains. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. And now insert the hook into your first chain. Here, this is my first chain. So insert the hook into your first chain and pull it through both the loops. This is the slip stitch and we have completed the round. Now we are going to start our first round. So place 3 chains first. This will be counted as a stitch, and now we are going to place total 24 double crochet stitches. So one chain is already done, so we are going to place 23 more double crochet stitches around the circle. So how to place double crochet stitches, I am going to give the tutorial link in the description box. Please have a look. So here I have completed total 24 double crochet stitches and completed the round. Now stitch, insert the hook into the third chain and make a slip stitch and close the round. Like this, you can see this round is completed. To make a new round, I am going to join another color yarn, this one. I am joining it. Hold it tightly from the back. And now place 3 chains. This will be counted as a stitch. And now insert the hook into the gap and place double crochet stitch like this. Now we are going to place chains. Place 5 chains and now skip 2 double crochet stitches and insert the hook into the third double crochet stitch. Like you can see, there is a V in the third double crochet stitch. Insert the hook and place 2 double crochets together in the stitch like this. Insert it again, yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops, and now there are 3 loops in the hook. Yarn over, pull it through all the loops. Place 5 chains now. One more, 5 chains. Now insert the hook, skip 2 double crochet into the third one, insert the hook, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over again, insert the hook, pull it through 2 loops, and now as 3 hook loops are there in the hook, yarn over and pull it through all the loops. Place 5 more chains and repeat the same. Like you can see, I have made the circle, completed the circle. Now insert the hook and make a slip stitch. So our second round is also completed here. To make a third round, take the yarn from the behind like this. Do not cut the yarn, always take it from the behind. And now place single crochet stitch into this chain space like this. One single crochet stitch is done, and now we are going to place 7 double crochet stitches. 1, 2. We are going to give a half circle shape to this chain space, to this pattern here. So that's why we made one single crochet stitch first, and now we are placing double crochet stitches. So total 7 double crochet stitches we are going to make here after one single stitch. My double crochets are done, and now place single crochet stitch in the end. So remember, one single crochet stitch in the beginning and one single crochet stitch at the end, and in between total 7 double crochet stitches we are going to make in each chain space. I am repeating the same pattern in the second chain space, and likewise I'll repeat the same pattern in each chain space of the circle. This is actually very basic design, and I've used very basic stitches like single crochet stitch and double crochet stitch. So these are very basic stitches, or you can say the very basic and important stitches in crochet. So these 2 petals are done. Complete the circle, and here you can see my circle is completed. And now in the end, insert the hook into your first single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch and complete the round. Here it is done. Till now I haven't cut the yarn, so now I'm going to cut the yarn, both the yarn, because you can see the pink thread is also visible. So I'll cut both the yarn from here. This is done, so that's how it looks. If you like the tutorial, and please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.